एक सिरे लाग जानी जीत जेले बस एक जीत चाहिए जीत जेले एक सिरे लाग जानी एक सिरे लाग जानी जीत जेले बस एक जीत चाहिए जीत जेले बस एक जीत चाहिए जीत जेले
The big match. It's Kalandri versus Express Sikandar Ali. And Abdullah will open for Express take a bow. Abdullah is checking the wicket, which is paradise for batsmen. Express captain Sadiq Ali's eyes are on both opener, which is destructive for opponents.
इलियास के हाथ में जानी बैठा है इलियास के हाथ में जानी बैठा है सामो यार के राहे पंज तक दीरा है जिते शाकरा जिते आउटरा बेहारा अज तेईद जो आगाज ईद से लाओ जानी ईद से लाओ जानी जीत जेले बस एक जीत चाहिए जीत जेले बस एक जीत चाहिए जीत जेले
Olympic won the toss, decide to bat first. Yasser Ali and Imran Ali is coming to the crease. Both have young blood, both have powerful energy. Yasser Ali is checking the wicket, which is paradise for batsmen. Vice captain Muhammad Aslam's eyes are on both opener. Aslam is willing for first win, the legend. Batsman Abdul Rahman is a ready for win. The whole crowd is
मंजिलों हासिल हमको बेहद दूरिया मंजिलों हासिल हमको बेहद दूरिया बिना इस्माइल जे कोलम पे कदूरिया मिलानी किथे के जीत मगर केरा दो के खबर मुझे दिल चली थी पूरिया टीम नजर ईद से हो जानी ईद से हो जानी जीत जेले बस एक जीत चाहिए जीत जेले
The big Muqabla, the big match, now the biggest ever match of Eid series, the biggest competition. The big match, it's Kalandri versus Olympic. Take a bow, take a rest. Olympic won the toss, decide to bowl first. Whole crowds are crazy for this match. Kalandri is on batting. Olympic is on fielding. The legend star Lala Ilyas with little star Jabed Ali are on opening. Kalandri captain Lala Ilyas will face to Olympic captain Mir Muhammad. Olympic vice-captain Muhammad Aslam is setting up field. The legend Abdul Rahman is behind the stump taking his chargeship of wicket-keeper. Power play is on. Imran Ali and Jabal are outside the power play circle.